Why does your scanner show the P2762 engine code? And what does it mean? P2762 is a diagnostic trouble code for the torque converter clutch pressure control solenoid circuits range, or performance. The P2762 diagnostic code indicates a torque converter clutch pressure control solenoid control circuit range or performance issue. This means the powertrain control module PCM or transmission control module TCM has detected an electrical or performance problem with the solenoid that regulates the fluid pressure for the torque converter clutch TCC. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty torque converter clutch solenoid. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Software or calibration issue. Internal transmission damage. Faulty TCM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs most commonly in vehicles with electronically controlled automatic transmissions that use torque converter lockup systems. It is commonly found in Jeep, Chevrolet, Lexus, Kia, Hyundai, and Subaru. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.